Good morning again. As we have discussed what is a quadrilateral in our previous class, our previous lecture, what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides. Okay, and the types of quadrilateral already we have discussed. Now, the example first show that each angle of a rectangle is right angle. Meaning, we have to prove that in rectangle every angle is a 90 degree. Okay. We have to prove that every angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. How? देखो, ABCD is a rectangle in which one angle is a 90 degree. Let ABCD is a rectangle let ABCD is a rectangle in which angle A is 90 degree. We have to prove, what is we have to prove? We have to prove that angle B, angle C and angle D also 90 degree. We have to prove all our angles 90 degree. To prove, क्या prove करना है हमें? Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, all are 90 degree. We have to prove that all are 90 degree. देखो, very simple. Firstly, what is given? Given is a rectangle. We know what is a rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Rectangle is a parallelogram. We know ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Now we know the definition of parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Parallelogram in which opposite sides equal and parallel. Therefore, AB is parallel to CD and also AB is equal to CD. These all things we have already discussed in our previous lecture. And similarly, AD parallel to BC. Therefore, and AD is equal to BC because ABCD is a rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Okay? No doubt. Therefore, this side is parallel to this side and equal to each other. This side is parallel to this side and equal to each other. Okay? Now, angle A is a 90 degree. कोई वन पेयर ले लो, अब चाहे तो AB ले लो, AB and CD पैरेलल पेयर ले उठा लो, कोई मर्जी ले लो, चाहे AD and BC ले लो, जो मर्जी पेयर ले लो अपनी ओर से, एक पेयर ले लो, जो मर्जी ले लो. सपोज मैंने ले लिया AD and BC, both are parallel. ओके, यहाँ पे नीचे लिखा था ये स्टेप जहाँ से मैंने उठा लिया. AD and BC are parallel and AB is a transversal. ये देखो, AD and BC both are parallel and AB is transversal. Now, when two lines are parallel, one is a transversal. We know the pairs of angle, which pairs of angle are equal. The alternate interior pairs of equal, exterior pairs are equal, alternate exterior corresponding angles, and so many other pairs. Okay, we have this property in our previous class. These properties in our previous class. Now, when AD and BC are parallel and AB is a transversal, then the angle A plus angle B, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Why? Why? This is the 180. Angle A, this one angle and angle this one, both the sum of both angle is 180 because AD and BC are parallel and AB is a transversal. Why? Because it is the pair of alternate anterior angles, not alternate, anterior angles of same side of a transversal. एंड अल्टरनेट मीन इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ सेम साइड ऑफ अ ट्रांसवर्सल। ये ट्रांसवर्सल है, जो एडी एंड बीसी पैरेलल है, इसके इंटीरियर एंगल सेम साइड, इंटीरियर एंगल सेम साइड है, और एबी के दूसरी साइड सेम साइड बन रहे हैं दोनों के दोनों। जे वाला एंगल सपोज एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 2, दोनों के दोनों एंगल क्या है, सेम साइड बन रहे हैं, इंटीरियर हैं दोनों के दोनों। देन द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ सेम साइड इज 180। फ्रॉम here the angle A is a 90 degree. We have supposed already the angle A is a 90 degree. Put the value of A here, 90 plus angle B is equal to 180. From here the angle B is equal to 180 minus 90, therefore it becomes 90. Now angle A is equal to angle A equal to angle C. Why? Because the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles are of parallelogram equal. Opposite angle होते हैं जो parallelogram के वो equal होते हैं. ABCD is the rectangle, therefore ABCD is the parallelogram. The angle A is equal to angle C, but angle A is a 90 degree, therefore angle C is also 90 degree, and angle B is equal to angle D. These are also opposite angles of a parallelogram. The angle B we have find 90 degree, therefore angle D is also 90 degree. Now from here the angle A equal to angle C, both are 90, each 90 degree, and angle B, angle D both are equal and each is 90 degree. Therefore we can say that each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. ABCD is a rectangle and each angle is a 90 degree. हमने सपोज किया था एक एंगल 90 डिग्री है, तो हमने प्रूव कर दिया सभी के सभी एंगल्स के 90 डिग्री हैं। Therefore in a rectangle every angle is a 90 degree. Okay, clear? चलो नेक्स्ट देखते हैं एग्जांपल सेकंड। Show that the diagonals of example second, show that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. We have to prove that the diagonals of a rectangle, rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular each other meaning जहाँ पे जो एक दूसरे के साथ बाइसेक्ट करते हैं, यहाँ पे सपोज दिस इज O पॉइंट पे इसके जो डायगोनल्स हैं, डायगोनल AC एंड डायगोनल BD बाइसेक्ट एट O, therefore they making angle of 90 degree. We have to prove this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. जे हमें प्रूव करने हैं 90 डिग्री परपेंडिकुलर ईच अदर, मीनिंग जो डायगोनल है वो जहां पे बाइसेक्ट करते हैं वहां पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाते हैं। कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? देखो बेसिकली ABCD इज अ rhombus but is given is that ABCD is a rhombus. We know the property of rhombus is a parallelogram. Firstly, rhombus is a parallelogram, type of a parallelogram. We have discussed already have discussed in our previous lecture what are parallelograms. Parallelograms कौन सी होती है? Rectangle, square and rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Therefore, AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. And one more property of rhombus we have already discussed in our previous class. What is the more property of rhombus? All the sides of rhombus are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD and equal to DA. All the sides are equal. In rhombus all the sides are equal. Okay, therefore we can say that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. All the sides of rhombus are equal. We know it. We have already discussed in our previous class. Okay. From now, but we have to prove that these angles are 90 degree. Now take the triangles. There are triangles, 4 triangles in this. Suppose this is a triangle 1, 2, 3rd and 4. There are 4 triangles. The diagonals of the rhombus divided into 4 triangles. Okay. These 4 triangles are congruent. These 4 triangles are congruent. We have to prove congruent. We can prove easily. Now take triangle. A triangle AOD, triangle 1. In triangle AOD, ये वाली triangle first ले लो, and triangle COD, triangle second. First and second, दोनों की दोनों triangles उठा लो. Triangle first and triangle second. देखो वन साइड तो कॉमन है दोनों में, ट्रायंगल 1 एंड ट्रायंगल 2 में कौन सी साइड कॉमन है? OD. OD is equal to OD. Why? This is the common side of both triangles. Common in both triangles. And AD is equal to या DA, AD और DA is equal to CD. Why? Because both the sides of a rhombus CD, ये वाली साइड इसके इक्वल है, because rhombus की sides हैं. And one thing more, AO is equal to OC. Right? The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. We have proved already in our previous class. The diagonal of the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. ABCD is a rhombus. Basically, it is a parallelogram. Therefore, this part of AO is equal to the OC. Why? Because the diagonal AC is bisected by the diagonal BD. Therefore, AO is equal to OC. Why? Because the diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect करते हैं each other. Therefore, अगर 3 sides of one triangle is equal to 3 sides of other triangle, we can say that the triangle AOD, meaning triangle first, is congruent to triangle COD. Both the triangles are congruent. Triangle 1 and triangle 2 both are congruent. Okay. From here we can say that by simplicity, if these two triangles are congruent, the angle, this one angle AOD is equal to angle COD. Okay. The angle AOD is equal to angle COD. Why? Because the triangles are congruent. But this angle this and angle this, both are the pair of linear angles. This is the pair of linear angles. What is the pair of linear angle? The property of pair of linear angle, the sum of pair of linear angle is 180. Therefore, angle AOD plus angle COD is equal to 180. Why? Because pair of linear angles. Okay, this is a pair of linear angles. Therefore, the angle AOD plus angle COD is equal to 180. From here, this is the one and this is the second. From first, we can put the value of AOD or COD in second. अगर यहाँ पे put कर देंगे AOD और COD दोनों सेम है. Therefore, COD की वैल्यू मैंने put कर दी AOD. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? AOD plus angle AOD is equal to 180. From here 2 times angle AOD is equal to 180। अगर 2 times ऑफ एंगल AOD 180 है तो एंगल AOD मैं यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, जहाँ से एंगल AOD इज इक्वल टू कितना आ जाएगा, 90 डिग्री आ जाएगा। कितना हो जाएगा, 90 डिग्री। अगर एंगल AOD 90 है तो एंगल COD इसके इक्वल है, ये भी 90 हो जाएगा, इक्वल टू हो जाएगा एंगल COD, दोनों के दोनों 90 हो गए, ये दोनों के दोनों 90 हो गए। तो जहां से दिस एंड दिस एंगल आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स, देयरफॉर ये वाला एंगल भी 90 डिग्री हो जाएगा, और ये दोनों ये 90 है तो ये दोनों के दोनों वर्टिकल अपोजिट है, ये वाला भी 90 हो जाएगा। फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन से दैट all the angles are 90 degree at O. The angles at O are angles formed by the diagonals AC and diagonal BD. Therefore, we can say that the diagonal AC and diagonal BD bisect each other at right angles in a rhombus. rhombus में क्या होते हैं, जो diagonals होते हैं bisect each other at right angles. bisect तो करते हैं, bisect तो बिकॉज ये पैरेललोग्राम है, rhombus इज द पैरेललोग्राम, बाइसेक्ट तो ये करते हैं, हमें प्रूव करना था 90 डिग्री पे, तो हमने प्रूव कर दिया जे वाला और जे वाला सभी के सभी एंगल्स आर 90 डिग्री है। देयरफॉर वी कैन से दैट द rhombus के जो डायगोनल्स होते हैं, डायगोनल्स ऑफ अ rhombus आर बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट 90 डिग्री। ओके, यही हमें प्रूव करना था। तो अब टाइम हो गया।